spring of 2021, we're introducing a battery saver mode for the T2 and the TH2. Any T2 or TH2 that you have, you can upgrade so that you can use this mode. You can do that by getting the newest apiary app, and when you get it, it will give you the ability to update the firmware to 5.26, which is the battery saver mode where we enable that. So I want to tell you a little bit about it. Basically, what we do is slow down the advertising so that the battery will last over 5 years. We do this if you have a hub. If you have a sub hub or a cell hub or a Wi-Fi hub or the apiary app running in hub mode, then it's listening and it only needs to hear it once an hour so that it can send it up to my BroodMinder. So for 10 minutes, we have the devices advertising their current information. And then for 50 minutes, we put them in a deep sleep mode. And if they aren't sending out this data all the time, then that saves an awful lot of power and lets us get really 6 or 7 years out of them. So if you want to do that, we recommend setting up a hub so that you're getting that. And then I'll show you, it's really quite simple. Once you have these updated, okay, here it is, and you'll see some blue ones come up from my sub hub that's in the back room. There you see a blue 4200. And you see 478019. This was one of the very first T2s that we built. So it can work for any of them out there. And I'm going to choose it. And down at the bottom you see battery saver mode. All you have to do is do that and hit yes, I want to enable it. It will connect to it and you can see it process successful. Wait for it down at the bottom to say continue. And then when we go back to the main screen here, you'll notice on the 478019 it has B76%-SV. The -SV is what tells you it's in saver mode. And what will happen is it will go ahead and talk for another hour and 10 minutes. And then after that, it will shut off for 50 minutes, turn on for 10 minutes, shut off for 50 minutes, and go on like that. So that's all that's happening there. If you do want to take it out of battery saver mode, just take the battery out and it'll go back to like it was. So hope you like that. If you have any questions or having trouble upgrading, we're happy to help. Contact Mike at support@broodminder.com. We also have a refresh service, so if you have a bunch of them and you just want them all updated by us, for $10 each, we'll put them in a new housing with a new battery, test to make sure they're working, and then send them all back to you ready to go.